Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to the new trading week. I am Dan from Trading with Dan. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin 4-hour charts. So Bitcoin on the 4-hour, are we going to break above this resistance area? You can kind of see somewhat of an ascending triangle, which obviously we know is potentially a bullish formation, but then you got to kind of look at it in the context of it also potentially being a bear flag, just because of obviously this big sell-off that we've had. So yes, it is in the balance which way we break. We do kind of know we're going to be driven by which way other risk assets go, i.e. stocks, and also we do have FOMC later on this week. But all in all, is not looking too bad compared to how we have been looking recently. If we do want to look at stocks as well, it is nice to see after that obvious painting of the charts on Friday that we did actually get follow through when these futures opened this morning. That is not to say that the cash market won't open and then just dump into this slight rally. We could maybe pump into this resistance and then obviously get slammed back down. But yeah, that is what we are looking at present. We are in this area between 37 and 4,000, 3,700 and 4,000, and we need to see whether we can get back above this resistance and then continue to move up. Also, what we've got in our favor is the dollar, nicely moving down here as well. Finally, are we going to actually play a decent pullback in this asset? I guess we have got initial targets of around 101. Obviously this target hit just here, this low here. This is more of just a level. If we take it out, we can continue lower as opposed to actual support, literally because we came down to that level before. But yeah, we've obviously got this 101 and then 99.5 basically to target, and then see what we can do at that point. 10-year, just there or thereabouts, not doing too much. Let's just have a quick look at how the sanctions are doing, just for a bit of a laugh. Sanctions are doing well. Obviously this dollar index DXY sell-off is giving gold a bit of a bid. So can gold get above this resistance area, this important resistance area above 1880, and establish back above here? I mean, we'll have to see what happens. If the dollar certainly keeps coming off, then yes, I mean, clearly I expect this to go up. Oil squeezing up a little bit, no doubt getting a slight bid from the dollar, but we do know that obviously oil is moving on its own fundamentals, pretty much separate to the dollar. So I wouldn't look too much into it, other than it obviously wouldn't be a headwind, it would be a tailwind. But we obviously know there's bigger macroeconomic, more powerful drivers for the dollar. How is that Bitcoin dominance doing? It is looking it's looking pretty bullish, isn't it? But can we put in a top here and come down? We shall have to see. I mean, we just have this important level of resistance here, of old resistance, new support that we're above. So if you want to make any progress to the downside, got to take this out. It's the Ethereum USD pairing. It is trying to get above its resistance area, similar to the one that Bitcoin is trying to get above in the USD pairing, and the Satoshi pairing, the Ethereum Satoshi pairing, is also trying to get above this resistance area. So we are at critical levels. Can the dollar keep coming off? Can stocks rally? Can we get more risk on, and then these things start to look good, or are we just at our latest little very weak, anemic pump, and to get rejected for some serious trapdoor downside action? We shall have to see. So let's have a look at the stochastic. 4-hour is getting a bit extended here, but just obviously bear in mind that's a low time frame. 8-hour though, looking good, looking great, got plenty of room to run. Same with the 10-hour, looking very good. 12-hour did have a bullish reset and now is turning back up, so that is not too bad. Daily looking fantastic here. By daily looking alright, looking good. I guess it is just at a low level, that's all. 3-day same, and then obviously 5-day, we're waiting for this 5-day and weekly to turn back up. If we get this 5-day and weekly turning back up, obviously 5-day first, then yeah, I mean, we could be looking at obviously a nice breakout from here. and then test this 33, break through there, get up to 36, and then maybe reassess there. Maybe even we get to the next level nearer 40k. But if we can get break above here, get into this zone, then we have got a good shot of at 36, potentially even well, it's actually around 39, but yeah, we have got a good shot. So let's see. I mean, we've got FOMC, we've obviously got the dollar potentially gonna have a medium-term downtrend. So yeah, interesting times. So yes, that is it, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.